Mental health is a crucial component of general health. Most importantly, mental health difficulty, कोई भी मनोदिशा की या मनोवृत्ति की तकलीफ़ हो, कोई समस्या हो, उसको शेयर करना, उसको किसी तरीके से समझना और उसके बारे में जानकारी रखना कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है, कोई कलंक की बात नहीं है। इसीलिए मेंटल हेल्थ को जब जनरल हेल्थ के एजेंडा में देखते हैं, कई सदियों से देख रहे हैं कि इसको इम्पोर्टेंस कम दिया गया है।
A message on this World Mental Health Day that we should pledge today that we should be destigmatizing the psychiatric illnesses, mental health issues, and we remove all the taboos which we have in our mind, in our family, friends' mind.
Today, on Mental Health Day, I would just like to say that it is not important to stay positive all the time. It is okay to feel sad, annoyed, frustrated. And it is not wrong to have negative feelings. But what is more important is you should be able to recognize your own feelings, regulate your emotions and the emotions of all the near and dear ones around you. So take care of your mental well-being.
To mark the World Mental Health Day 2020, I would like to share a small message with everyone. The strongest people are not those who show strength in front of the world. Strongest are those who fight their battles within with deep courage and positivity. Let's all promise to extend support and help people around, especially during these times when people seek a lot of positivity and empathy. Kindness being the theme of World Mental Health 2020, let's all be kind to each other. Spread this beautiful smile and focus on the beautiful body and brain connection. Thank you.
My message to all the teachers and students on World Mental Health Day is, mental health is not about one day, but each and every day for each and every individual. Let's make mental health a priority. We need to continue to break the stigma surrounding mental health by having more and more positive conversations, more sensitive conversations within our homes, within schools, amongst each other. It's very important that we change the narrative around mental health and build a culture of acceptance by continuing to unmute ourselves and normalize help seeking.
Yes, mental health is the biggest objective of today's youth, that it should be. And at the same time, any stigma that we have attached with mental health, that should be removed. And our young generation needs to carry on this torch to remove the stigma around mental health.
Hi everyone, talking from a mental health professional's point of view, mental health, unlike the physical health, does not have any clear-cut boundaries or parameters with which we can measure and say whether it is whether a person is in a good mental health or in a poor mental health. But as per me, a person who has a good mental health is very understanding of himself and shares a very good bond with himself. And a person who has a poor mental health is always critical about oneself and is always in a conflict with oneself. So take some time, develop a good relation with yourself and improve your mental health. After all, it is this mental health that will help you achieve success in life.
कहीं पर भी कुछ छोटी मोटी अड़चनें होती हैं, वैक्सिंग वेनिंग हमारे मूड्स होते हैं, फीलिंग्स होती हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी चुनौती हमारे सामने है, एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज कोविड-19 का है। तो नेचुरल है कि जैसे ब्लड प्रेशर है, जैसे अपने टेम्परेचर है, जैसे रेस्पिरेशन का रेट है, हमारे एब्डोमिनल चेंजेस होते हैं, वैसे ही फिज़िकल चेंजेस के साथ साथ हमारे माइंड के चेंजेस, हमारे बॉडीली चेंजेस भी होंगे। लेकिन पॉजिटिव मेंटल हेल्थ में जब कोई अड़चन होती है, कोई टेंशन होती है, किसी तरीके की एक अनकंट्रोलेबल फीलिंग्स, जज्बा होता है, उसको हम दबा के रखेंगे, निचोड़ के रखेंगे, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो और बढ़ेगा। शेयर करना, बताना, किसी को 2 क्षण अटेंशन देकर बोलना कि भाई मैं तुमसे कुछ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, ये बहुत बड़ी ताकत है। इसमें कोई कलंक नहीं है, कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है। ऑलवेज फील पॉजिटिव अबाउट sharing your mind, your feelings and your emotions with the people you can approach and you are also trustworthy with.
WHO says mental health is not the mere absence of mental disorder or disability. Mental health includes psychological, emotional, and social well-being. It shows how the way we behave, we feel, and we act. Mental health also tells us how we handle our stress and how we relate with people, even how we make choices.
How I wish everybody had positive internal and external environment to provide them with good mental health. But you'll be surprised, my friends. A survey of NIMHANS tells us that there are 150 million people in this country who require mental health services, but only 30 million are able to seek it. There are various factors attached to it. It's lack of education, awareness, but a very important factor is the stigma attached to it. We always think, I have to seek mental health. Why? I'm worried what people will think about me. How will they react? Friends, the time has come now that let's change the thought process. Let's treat mental health disorder as a real medical situation like any other diabetes or BP, which changes a person's thinking, behavior, and lifestyle.
I'm very glad that mental health awareness is taking that turn in India, where it's getting the due it is always required to. Now, we usually separate mental health from physical health, and we generally do not speak about mental health at all, which I do not think and feel it's a very good trend. Not only we need to speak about our mental health, we also need to treat it as important as physical health itself, because mind and body are related. We cannot treat one another as being different from each other. That's the first thing that I have to say. Another important thing that I have to say here is this, that we need to share our mental health needs and thoughts and feelings with people who are close to us, and not not get boggled by the stigma that surrounds mental health. Having said that, it's equally important to listen to people around us when they want to talk about their mental health needs. Often we unknowingly, unconsciously brush off what others have to say about mental health, their own mental health. And in a way, we are not being good mental health advocates in the first place. I think that's something we need to watch out for. Rest all is good, and I think it's a great initiative by the school that we're talking about mental health, and we need to start inculcating these practices in ourselves and others around us. I think removing the stigma around mental health, talking about it, making a safe place where others can talk about it is very important.
पॉजिटिव मेंटल हेल्थ को अब रोज़ाना रेगुलेट करने के लिए कोई बहुत मुश्किल बात ही नहीं है। इसमें हम जैसे एक 24 घंटे की दिनचर्या हम बना की कोशिश करते हैं कि वो निभाएं। डाइट है रोज़ की, हमारे खाने पीने का एक जलपान या पौष्टिक आहार का जो एक बैलेंस है, और डेली की एक्सरसाइजेज हैं। सिर्फ अगर हम 15-20 मिनट भी दिन में 2 बार अपने शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य को दे दें, कुछ हल्का टाइम अगर 5-10 मिनट योगा के लिए निकाल लें, मेडिटेशन जो सिंपल हल्की सी स्लो डीप एंड लॉन्ग ब्रीदिंग मोमेंट्स हैं, हम 2-3 घंटे में 3-4 बार इसको प्रैक्टिस करते रहें, ताकि हम अपने लंग्स को एक दोस्त समझें, अपने लंग्स को एक गुड ब्रीदिंग, गुड ऑक्सीजन का भागीदार समझें। हम हार्ट और ब्रेन का काफ़ी केयर ले लेंगे। तो ये बहुत हल्की रोज़ाना की बातें हैं जो हमारे पॉजिटिव मेंटल हेल्थ की तरफ कंट्रीब्यूट करती हैं.
So I request the young generation to take a pledge to open to visit the mental health professional, psychiatrist, psychologist, counselor in the time of need, in the time of the distress. Whenever you feel some mental health issues, it's better to meet a mental health professional. So that's the pledge I want young generation to take on this Mental Health Day in 2020. Thank you so much.